What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cube Plus YouTube channel. Today we have a 2x2x3 Rubik cube. This one is a simple 2x2 Rubik cube, and today we have a 2x2x3 Rubik cube, and we are going to solve this cube with the very easiest method ever. Actually, if you search YouTube, so you cannot find any method that easier than the one we are working today. So please subscribe the channel and also like this video if you like it. So in order to receive more videos from my YouTube channel, please subscribe and follow me. So as of usual, we are going to descramble this cube. So now we are starting with this one. First we are aligning the middle layer. Actually, you can see now this is scrambled, but we need to first just rearrange the center pieces. So I want you guys to connect the pieces like this one. So after that we can do this part. So now you can see the middle layer is completely done, and after this we are working to solve the bottom layer. So first you need to recognize which pieces are belong to which part, because it is completely different than this one. Sometimes you will be in problem to just differentiate the top layer pieces with the bottom layer. So for that I need you to just first recognize the pieces that belongs to which one. So we have this one here. We will bring it to this side, so it is okay. Actually, this one is the white face and this one is the yellow face. So now we can connect the remaining pieces. So in this position, we are working a formula that we already used in solving other cubes. So I want to bring the exact piece that we want to install here in this position, and after that do this formula: right up, right down, up, right up twice, and right down. So now you can see it is back to the position that we need this piece to be. So after that, for another one, so we do the same formula for this one: right up, right down, up, right up twice, and right down. So it's also completed, but for the last one we do the same formula again: right up, right down, up, right up twice, and right down. Here you go. Now we completed the 2 layers of a 2x2x3 Rubik cube. So we just completed the 2 layers, and for the last one, in the last part, actually, when we create the bottom layer, so we will have the top layer also corrected, but in some cases we need to work on different parts to just complete the top layer. So in most of the time, like 90% by chance, you will have this case. Actually, the 2 pieces on the top, they need to just swap their positions. For that we need to do a formula, and this formula is a bit complicated. So by trying many times you will be familiar with this. So the formula goes like this: up, right, up, down, right, counterclockwise. Again, right, up counterclockwise and down counterclockwise at the same time. Right, down, up counterclockwise, and right. So now we just completed solving this cube. So it was not that hard, actually. So we only need 2 algorithms for this. So I have the algorithms on the description also. So you can solve this cube only in 3 minutes. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like the video. I will see you guys on next video.